Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the analysis of YOLENO TV. I hope you're well from wherever you're watching this channel. Now, there's an article here, ladies and gentlemen. I came across it at night, but I chose to do this video in the morning. It's alleged that a three-judge bench of the High Court, which was named by Chief Justice Martha Koome, is supposed to decide whether to stop senators from conducting the impeachment trial of Deputy President RIGATHI. The judges, led by Eric Ogola, who is the presiding judge, and then there's Anthony Mrima, and then there's Dr. Frida Mugambi, consolidated the petitions seeking to stop the DP's impeachment and said they were going to deliver the ruling at 8 a.m.
A three-judge bench of the High Court will on Wednesday morning at 8 a.m. deliver a ruling on whether the Senate will proceed with Deputy President Rigathi Gachagwa's impeachment.
Which is about 1 hour before the commencement of the Senate to begin. So the big question, ladies and gentlemen, here is that because we know that Justice Chacha declined to stop the petition, declined to stop the impeachment. So the big question here, ladies and gentlemen, is that if at all the three-judge bench make a ruling in favor of Rigathi Gachagua, then what's going to happen? Because we know that the Senate Speaker said that nothing will stop that impeachment. So for personally, I think there's going to be what we call a legal quagmire, because if they say no, and then the Senate proceeds with the session, then there's going to be some issues here, ladies and gentlemen. So I want us to go to these issues extensively regarding what we expect from the courts. But before you do that, please like this video. It's so important if you like this video, and I'm so grateful for everyone who has been liking our videos. I don't take that for granted. Subscribe to our channel if you've not subscribed before, and to existing subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Many pundits, many political pundits have termed this move as some sigh of relief for Rigathi Gachagua, because now if they decide that, because we know that the yesterday's ruling did not stop the impeachment, but what if the three-judge benches stop the impeachment?
It would be a very sad situation for this court to say we will not interfere in independent institutional independence, where that institution is violating the Constitution. The petitioner's rights under Article 50, which in terms of Article 25C cannot be limited, were violated. And Article 22-23 gives this honorable court power even where rights are threatened. Here they have been violated.
There is no one who is immune from judicial scrutiny. Not the Senate, not the National Assembly, not ourselves. Your Lordship, penetrate the doctrine of restraint, the judicial restraint. Let this court penetrate it.
So there's a statement that Justice Mugambi issued that I also want to take you through. So he said, "We are alive to the urgency of the matter. We have considered the arguments by all parties of the application for conservatory order and agreed to hear the application with strict timelines." You know, that was something that Justice Mugambi said. What you also need to understand that in those petitions, there's also another petition is seeking to stop the appointment of another deputy president. Then there's another that is seeking to stop Martha Koome from swearing in or appointing any judge to swear in a deputy president who shall have been nominated and grilled. So there are so many petitions, ladies and gentlemen. But for this case, ladies and gentlemen, the most important thing to note here is that there could be a way out for Rigathi Gachagua. That is, if the courts decide that they are going to stop this impeachment. But we're also going to face a problem. That's why in the previous analysis said a blunder from Amason King. You know, Amason King issued a bold statement, and we went through that bold statement. The statement was very simple. Nothing can stop them. So the big question here the other thing I ask myself is, if at all the three-judge benches does something that is unimaginable and decide that Rigathi must be protected, you see, what's going to happen here? That's why I find it pretty difficult for Rigathi Gachagua going forward here, because if this happens, then we are going to see a clash between the judiciary and the legislature, just like I insinuated in my previous two videos, ladies and gentlemen. So what do you think is going to happen? Personally, I think that's my view. I decided to make this video short because of time, and we know it's about 8 a.m. That's when the rule is going to be made. So just go below in your comment section. You can offer a reaction on this pending verdict from the courts. Will they protect Rigathi? Will they leave Rigathi to the dogs? What is going to happen, ladies and gentlemen? So perhaps if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, take 1 second and subscribe, like this video. Till you catch up again, stay safe and stay blessed.